Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need a ready site and target pages before outreach. Once done, run a quick audit for speed, mobile, and broken links so you don't pitch poor pages. Next, find 10 priority pages to promote and gather 3 competitor backlinks per page to model opportunities. Prepare simple outreach templates and a tracking sheet. This prevents chaos and lets you test messaging. Now you'll start outreach with context-aware pitches that explain value quickly and ask for a specific link placement. Now you build and reach out. Produce a linkable asset tailored to each target, data, tool, or unique visual because relevance boosts conversions. Then personalize outreach at scale. Aim for 50 emails weekly, mention the recipient's page, and state the clear benefit of linking to your resource. Once sent, follow up 2 to 3 times with short reminders. Measure opens and replies so you can iterate. If responses are positive, negotiate anchor text and placement politely, and confirm the live link in your tracker. To finish, verify that acquired links are live and correct. Once live, record their URL, anchor, and page authority so you can measure impact. Then diversify sources using guest posts, PR, Haro, and resource page outreach to avoid reliance on one channel. If a link is missing or marked not follow, politely ask the webmaster to correct it. Make sure to provide the exact URL and anchor. Finally, if rankings drop due to toxic links, disavow the worst and accelerate quality link building to recover.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.